Hello and welcome to Rajya Sabha News. I'm Tina Jha. Let's begin with the headlines. India's reputation as pharmacy of the world restored. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar gives details of India's vaccine outreach in both houses. Says Made in India vaccines supplied to 72 countries generated international goodwill. The government has focused on providing world-class facilities in Indian Railways for the past 6 years. Piyush Goyal replies to a discussion in the Rajya Sabha. Asserts no plans to privatize railways. Says it belongs to every Indian. And Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu accepts nominated member Swapan Das Gupta's resignation. Das Gupta tendered his resignation on Tuesday after being named BJP candidate for the West Bengal polls. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar made a statement on India's Vaccine Maitri initiative in both houses of the parliament on Wednesday. He informed that Vaccine Maitri program was launched to help other countries with COVID-19 vaccines, and India has till now supplied vaccines for COVID-19 to as many as 72 countries. He stated that India's reputation as pharmacy of the world has been reinforced. He also said that India also offered to enhance cold chain and storage capacities for the delivery of the vaccines, and the approach is in line with India's age-old tradition of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Vaccine Maitri began in the immediate neighborhood, starting with the Maldives, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Myanmar, as also Mauritius and Seychelles. The extended neighborhood followed thereafter, especially the Gulf. Supplying smaller and more vulnerable nations was then the logic of reaching out to regions from Africa to the CARICOM. There was also contracts that our producers have entered into with other nations, either bilaterally or through the COVAX initiative. To date, we have supplied Made in India vaccines to 72 nations across geographies.
Giving further details of India's COVID vaccine outreach, S. Jaishankar said that it has raised India's standing and also generated great international goodwill. Besides, he also asserted that there is enough vaccine available in the country for domestic use.
In planning and executing Vaccine Maitri, we are naturally guided by a determination to make a difference at a difficult moment for global society. Our reputation as the pharmacy of the world has been reinforced in that process. So indeed has the faith in Make in India. But more than the vaccines themselves, our policies and conduct have emerged as a source of strength for the stressed and vulnerable nations of the world. They can see that there is at least one major nation that truly believes in making vaccines accessible and affordable to others in dire need. The House should be aware that the supply of vaccines abroad is based on the assessment of adequate availability at home. This is continuously monitored and takes into account the requirements of our domestic vaccination program as it unfolds in different phases. An empowered committee oversees this entire process.
Railway Minister Piyush Goyal said on Wednesday that there are no plans to privatize Indian Railways. Replying to a discussion on the working of Railways Ministry in Rajya Sabha, the minister said that the Indian Railways is the property of every citizen and will remain so. He also said the government is committed to making Indian Railways world-class in every aspect, adding that the government may bring in a few services under the private sector in order to provide better services to the passengers.
इसमें किसी को कोई चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। रेलवे भारत की संपत्ति है, आगे भी रहेगी। इसका कोई निजीकरण कोई नहीं करेगा, कोई कर भी नहीं सकता। अच्छा निवेश बढ़े, निवेश ज्यादा आए और देश की सेवा करे, मैं समझता हूं उसमें सरकार भी अपना पैसा डाल रही है। और जैसा मैंने बताया, पहले के निस्बत आज 5 गुना सरकार निवेश कर रही है, लेकिन आवश्यकता है तो उससे कई ज्यादा बड़ी है। और नेशनल रेल प्लान को जब हम देखते हैं तो 3 और डेडिकेटेड फ्रेट कॉरिडोर की आवश्यकता दिखती है। उसमें निवेश लगेगा हजारों करोड़ का, लाखों करोड़ का।
The railway minister stated that more than 80% of mail and express trains have started running and all suburban trains are in operation now. He also asserted that the railways was instrumental in continuing the supply of goods in all parts of the country even during the pandemic.
कोविड महामारी के बावजूद भारतीय रेल ने पिछले वर्ष, आज 17 तारीख है, 16 मार्च तक, पिछले वर्ष 16 मार्च 2020 में अप्रैल से मार्च तक जितना मालगाड़ी ने माल ढोया था उसको हमने पार कर लिया इस वर्ष कोविड के बावजूद। सितंबर से फरवरी तक 6 महीने हो गए और हम कोशिश करेंगे आगे भी वो क्रम चालू रहे। हर महीने जो फ्रेट लोडिंग हुई है वो भारत के 168 साल के रेलवे के इतिहास में सबसे अधिक लोडिंग इन 6 महीनों में हर महीने हुई।
Participating in the discussion on the working of the Railway Ministry, Ram Vichar Netam of the BJP said the numbers of rail accidents have decreased to 55 in the year 2019-20 as compared to 104 in 2016. Naran Bhai Rathwa of the Congress Party demanded to complete the railways projects sanctioned during the previous UPA government. Besides, members cutting across party lines also took part in the discussion. Listening.
The National Rail Plan of 2030 has been developed with a view to develop infrastructure by 2030 to cater to the increased traffic requirements by 2050. The NRP vision document aims to enhance the share of railways in freight transportation to more than 40% by 2030. I hope we meet this target. This will help decongest our roads, lead to better logistics management, and boost the revenues of the Indian Railways.
जो चिरमिरी बरवाडी के जो लाइन है, महोदय इस बारे में माननीय मंत्री जी से हम लोगों ने, हमारे माननीय सांसदों ने, झारखंड के सांसदगण ने कई बार और विधान हम लोगों ने पार्लियामेंट में, चाहे लोकसभा हो चाहे राज्यसभा हो, अपने कलीग्स का समय ले रहे हैं, कृपा करके उस लाइन की स्वीकृति दे दिया जाए.
Like another important pending project is to link up the Kakinada town to Samanalkota Petapuram main line. This is also long pending project from 2 decades. It is pending with the government, with the railway department for 2 decades.
गतिमान और ताज एक्सप्रेस को चित्रकूट मानिकपुर तक चलाया जाए, बेतवा एक्सप्रेस मानिकपुर से दुर्ग प्रतिदिन चलाया जाए, रिवांचल एक्सप्रेस दिल्ली से कानपुर से बांदा होते हुए रियो तक चलाई जाए, तुलसी एक्सप्रेस प्रतिदिन चलाई जाए, चित्रकूट कानपुर एक्सप्रेस को बढ़ाकर दरगाह शरीफ बाराबंकी तक चलाया जाए.
अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि ये इसके अलावा कोई विकल्प नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि आरएलडीए आपका काम नहीं कर पा रहा, आपको नई एजेंसीज और डिपार्टमेंट के साथ एक मल्टीलैटरल इंगेजमेंट में जाना होगा. दूसरा, जो भी आप मोनेटाइजेशन के बाद चीजें खड़ी करें वो पैसेंजर एमिनिटीज को समर्पित हों.
वेरी मच हेल्पफुल for the patients intending to attend Ratanpur PSC if a halting station is set up in Sunaichori.
सिक्किम को भारत में मिले हुए 46 इयर्स हो गए. रेल के मैप पर सिक्किम नहीं था और आप कहते हैं एक्सपेंशन नहीं हुआ. 2022-23 तक रेल मंत्री जी बताएंगे कि आने वाले वर्षों में सिक्किम हमारे रेल मैप पर होगा.
Members also raised issues of urgent public importance during the question hour. Replying to a question, Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said that construction of the new Parliament building was being done adhering to all norms and added that the 2022 winter session would be held in the new building. Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan said in the upper house that states like Maharashtra should reduce taxes on fuel in order to give relief to the consumers.
आने वाले दिनों में हमारी लक्ष्य है हम 2025 आते आते एथेनॉल ब्लेंडिंग 20%, लगभग 1 लाख करोड़ की नई एथेनॉल अर्थनीति भारत में हम लाने के लिए उसके कारखाने, उसकी मूल्य, ये आत्मनिर्भरता की ओर बड़ी कदम होगी. इसी दिशा में भारत सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है। उसी के काम पे अभी हम युद्ध स्तर पे लगे हैं, इसीलिए 2030 की टारगेट को हमने 2025 किया। आपके सुझाव हमारे लिए अच्छा सुझाव है, इसको और कैसे जल्दी पूरा करके 2025 तक हम 20 से और आगे बढ़ जाएं, इसकी भी हम चिंता करेंगे। आपके सुझाव अच्छा है।
Winter session of the next year, on the 75th year of independence, can be celebrated in the new Parliament building. Also, the Central Vista Avenue redesign and that work has been granted. Once the new Parliament is ready and we are able to relocate the work of Parliament to the new building, then this existing building will have to be repaired, re-gutted and made available for alternate uses. When we come to the next step, third step is 90 acres of hutments are being relocated. When we come to the next step, which is the Central Secretariat buildings, the new Central Secretariat complex, at that stage, some of the building, but let me now help you a little, not a single historical building, not a single iconic building which is part of our history, culture will be removed.
Several other important issues of public importance were also raised in the upper house during 0 hour on Wednesday. Member Jharna Das Baidia voiced concern over the rise in the prices of LPG cylinders, while member Sushil Kumar Modi demanded a law for sharing of revenue earned on new items by social media with print and electronic media. Listen.
The price of LPG has been hiked again. The fourth upward revision in just 4 weeks has made the cooking gas refills dearer by rupees 125 each for households. Since February, cooking gas rates in Delhi have been hiked for the fourth time. The prices were first hiked by rupees 25 on February 4 and then by rupees 50 on February 14. On February 25, the price were once again hiked by rupees 25.
4 गांवों को हमने गोद लिया 4 सालों में, लेकिन महोदय दुर्भाग्य की बात है उन 4 गांवों में अब तक विकास के कोई काम नहीं हुए और हम लोगों के पास जो धन था कोटे का, निधि का, वो भी 2 साल लिए बंद कर दिया गया। ऐसी स्थिति में उन गांवों में विकास हो नहीं रहा। गांव वाले परेशान करते हैं कि मेरे गांव में कुछ हुआ नहीं, हम कहते हैं हमारे पास धन नहीं। एक समस्या पैदा होगी बानी सांसदों के लिए, इस पर आपको निर्णय करना होगा। आप कुछ व्यवस्था देनी होगी ताकि जो गांव आदर्श गांव के रूप में लिए गए हैं, गोद लिए गए हैं, उन गांव में विकास हो।
Sir, as we all know that the traditional news media, like the print media, news channels, news broadcasters, are passing through its worst phase in recent history. They are in deep financial crisis. Earlier it was because of pandemic, and now it is because of tech giants like YouTube, Facebook, and Google. Sir, we all know that these traditional news media, they make heavy investments, employing anchors, journalists, reporters. They gather the news, they verify the news, and they deliver credible information. And advertisement is the main source of revenue for the news industry. Sir, but in the past few years, with the advent of tech giants like Google, Facebook, YouTube, the largest share of advertisement is taken away by these tech giants.
महोदय, दुखद है कि हमारा ध्यान कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर जो है उनके साइट पे उनकी लिविंग कंडीशंस की ओर नहीं जाता है। आज टेक्नोलॉजी ने ये सुविधा दे रखी है कि पोर्टेबल मकान बनते हैं, सस्ते मकान बनते हैं, और मुझे आश्चर्य होता है कि जब वो महलों का निर्माण करते हैं तो उनके लिए 2-4 साल के लिए ये छोटी-छोटी कुछ व्यवस्थाएं क्यों नहीं हम सुनिश्चित कर सकते हैं।
Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu has accepted the resignation of nominated member Swapan Das Gupta. Deputy Chairman Harivansh informed on Wednesday that the chairman had received Das Gupta's resignation letter and has accepted his resignation with effect from the 17th of March. His term as a member of the upper house was till 24th April 2022. Dasgupta tendered his resignation from the upper house of parliament on Tuesday after being named as a BJP candidate in the upcoming West Bengal Assembly polls from the Tarakeshwar constituency. And that's it from us in this bulletin. Thank you for your time.